Today we're going to be cleaning out the filter on my Meaco, and this is one of those jobs that is a very important job and should be done quite regularly and not just left. So let's get on with it and let's turn around the other way because the filter's on the other side. Right, for cleaning your filter, all you need to do is you pull back and take this off. Now inside here, look at the state of that. Now all we need to do is take out this grill. And once again, same principle. Pull that out like this. Okay, on both sides. Be delicate, it does break if you're not careful. Okay, that's the one side. Now remember, this is where all the crap goes through and this is where it sits. And with a small brush, especially one of these, all you need to do is just take off it like this. See that? See how easy that is? But this is very important. You need to keep these clean. If you don't keep them clean, you will have a problem with your machine. It's the same as a tumble dryer. You just need to keep this clean, and that's your filter, just like that. Then once again, all we need to do is slip this back in. At the bottom there, little things you just push into like that, and just clip it in, and then put them back in. And it's simple as that. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on Auto Clean Truths. Laters!